In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your NFL football team schedule to Google Calendar for 2025. If you're a football fan like I am, keeping track of your team's games can be crucial, whether you're planning your weekends or just want to catch every exciting moment. Integrating your team's schedule into Google Calendar is a straightforward process, but there are a few steps to follow. So let's dive right in and walk through this step by step. First, you'll want to open Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to calendar.google.com in your browser. Once you've got Google Calendar open, you'll see the familiar layout with your events and appointments. What we're going to do next is add a little more excitement to your calendar by incorporating your NFL team's schedule. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the gear icon. This is where you access the settings menu. Click on this icon and from the drop down menu choose settings. This will open up a new array of options on the left-hand menu, which is where the magic really begins. In the left-hand menu of the settings page, look for the option that says Add Calendar. Clicking on this will reveal yet another set of options. Here, find and select Browse Calendars of Interest. This is where Google lets you add interesting reorganized calendar packages like sports schedules into your own. When you click Browse Calendars of Interest, you'll notice various sections. Don't let this overwhelm you, simply scroll down to the section labeled Sports. This has everything we need. Once you reach the sports section, keep scrolling until you find football. You'll see options for various leagues, but for our purpose, select NFL. Now here's the fun part. You will see a list of all NFL teams, find your favorite team and simply click the checkbox next to their name. This small action will immediately add their schedule to your calendar. It's influenced by the team's official schedule, ensuring that you're always up to date. After this is set, return to the main calendar view by selecting the back arrow at the top left of the page, or you can click on the Google Calendar logo. This will take you back to where you can view all your calendar events, including your new addition. You'll need to check the left side of your screen. Under Other Calendars, make sure your team's calendar box is ticked. This ensures that their schedules are visible alongside your other events. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated your favorite NFL team's schedule into your Google Calendar. This setup will render your calendar not only informative but also a hub of excitement as you anticipate each game day. As always, if you have any questions or need further clarification on any parts of this process, feel free to reach out. Enjoy the games and most importantly have fun supporting your team this season.